Greetings internet people, and thanks for tuning in. I am 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤𝐬, and in this video, I will be showing how to install the Windows 10 October update to build 1809 on a computer running Windows 10 Professional. Run the winv command to see which build of Windows 10 we are running before the update. This will not be the most exciting video you watch today, because the installation goes exactly as it should. A boring operating system upgrade is the very best kind, because it means there were no problems. When I first learned that the update had been released in early October, I used Microsoft's media creation tool to create an ISO of the installation files. As soon as it finished downloading, I installed the update on an Asus laptop which I use almost every day for editing media and watching Netflix. The update installed without any problems, and the process was very similar to prior upgrades. It wasn't until the next day that I started reading about other people's awful experiences with data loss and that Microsoft had suspended release of the update. I was nervous at first, but after examining the laptop, I didn't notice anything out of the ordinary with it. Microsoft Edge was still working and all of my programs and data were still there and working after the update. This is not a video that will demonstrate what can go wrong with the installation. This video will simply show you what to expect during the upgrade so you can make your own decision whether to install it or not. I definitely recommend that you back up your data before you begin. It's like my dentist says, you don't have to back up all of your data, just the data that you would be upset if you never saw again. The media creation tool I downloaded no longer works since Microsoft pulled the plug on it. If I can locate the file, I will provide a link in the description, or you may be able to find links to the ISO for build 1809 online, although I would be suspicious of any software that is not downloaded directly from Microsoft. Once you have the installation ISO, you can create a bootable USB flash drive using Rufus or simply extract the contents of the image file to your desktop and run the setup program. The first thing the update will do is ask you if you want to download and install updates during the installation, or if you'd rather wait until later. As long as you have a pretty fast internet connection, I recommend that you let setup install the updates now rather than wait. Next, it will check your PC, and then you'll be required to accept Microsoft's terms. A few more checks will be performed to see if your computer meets the requirements and has sufficient space on the hard drive for it to be installed. If everything is alright, you'll be notified that the update is ready to install. As with prior updates, you'll see a summary page which indicates whether you are keeping personal files and apps or removing them, and you can make a change to that if you would like to. Then the update will begin to install when you click install. Now, sit back and wait for the update to install. The amount of time it takes will vary, but it will probably be at least an hour to hours before it's complete. The best thing you can do at this point is walk away from it and let it finish without being interrupted. If all goes well, you'll be greeted by your computer's regular login screen once the install has completed. As soon as we reach the desktop, I can verify that we are updated to version 1809 by searching for the command winv in the start menu and running it. Hopefully this video has shown you that there is nothing to be terribly afraid of and that the upgrade will not cause your computer to catch fire. If it does, please leave me a comment and let me know which component was most badly damaged so I can send you a replacement. As always, don't be afraid to push buttons. Good luck with the upgrade.